Debt refers to a sum of money, or value of goods or services, owed by one person or entity to another. Debt arises because a seller allows a buyer credit. The term debt is also used to describe the whole of a company's borrowings. The most common forms of debt are loans, including mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans, as well as credit cards. Under the terms of most loans, the borrower receives a set amount of money, which they must repay in full by a certain date, which may be months or years in the future. The terms of the loan will also stipulate the amount of interest that the borrower is required to pay, expressed as a percentage of the loan amount. Interest compensates the lender for taking on the risk of the loan.